kicked up smothered chicken, y'all. Trying to get my wife to eat it. It worked a little bit, but anyway. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So I started off with a whole chicken. So what I want to do, I'm just cutting this chicken directly in half. So I'll cut it straight down that chest plate. Then once I get it opened up, go ahead and take that backbone out. Use that for chicken stock. We're gonna take them wing tips too, y'all. Use them for chicken stock. Don't nobody eat them wing tips. Well, some people do, but I don't. So now we're gonna start with our half chicken and go ahead and break them down. So I'm feeling for the little bone right there. Once I got it, I can cut right through that joint with ease. Same thing with the wing and the drumette. Cut him in half. Let me go ahead and get this thigh. Well, this leg part. Then I'll go ahead and separate the thigh from the leg. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut this breast into 3 pieces right quick. Now you wanna make sure you got a sharp knife when you do this, because you're gonna have to cut through that bone. So y'all know what time it is. You know we got a rain on them. Hit them with some salt, some pepper. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of that cayenne. A little bit of garlic powder. Then we gonna go ahead and get 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil into a pan. And we gonna work that around. As you can see, my pan is already hot, y'all. It's already hot. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken in. The only thing we trying to do with this chicken, just get a little golden brown crust on the skin, that's all. Nothing major. I'm not trying to cook it till it's done. But don't it look tasty though, y'all? It already look tasty. Once we get a little color on that first side, we're gonna get a little flippy flip. And once that second side get brown, we're gonna get them on out that pan, y'all. And then we're gonna add us 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh yeah. You know that butter gotta make it better. And this Irish butter too, y'all. This the Irish butter. Only thing better than this is that Amish butter, y'all. I love that Amish butter. But anyway, let's get our veg in. Let's get in our onions, our bell pepper. Go ahead and rain on it with a little salt and pepper. Yeah, that'll mix it mix. Let's make sure we get all them good bits off the bottom of that pan, y'all. Gotta get all that off. Then we gonna add in about 2 cups of chicken broth. Now this gonna vary depending on how many pieces of chicken you doing, how thick you want your gravy. You know, it's up to you. But anyway, after we add our broth, we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken back into the pan. Then we're gonna add us some tomatoes. Now these are just cherry tomatoes. Cut in half. You use grape tomatoes, whatever tomatoes you like, and dice it up to the size that you like, y'all. Now we're just gonna let this simmer for 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes passed, we're gonna go ahead and add us a half a cup of heavy cream. Then we're gonna go ahead and give that a mix, incorporating the flavors, and we're gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes, y'all. 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, we brought the temperature up, and now we're gonna go on here and add in our slurry. Now that's just to thicken this gravy up a little bit. Now, if you like yours thin, you probably don't need to add no slurry. But me, I like mine a little bit more thicker. Not too much more, but just a little bit more. And guess what, y'all? It's time to plate up. I had to get my favorite piece of chicken, which is that thigh. I just love that thigh, y'all. That thigh is my favorite piece. Then I had to add me some green onions on top. So let's give this a tasty taste. Oh yeah, let's get a little bit of everything, y'all. Oh yeah. But anyway, love, peace, keep it grilling, y'all. See you.